Hi children, good morning. This is Mrs. Cecilia, your English ma'am. Welcome back to our English class children. Children, are you ready with your books? Take out your SB book. Today we are going to learn sounds of letter C. Children, the letter C has two sounds. In some words, you will pronounce C as k sound. When you pronounce it, you will say it as k. And another sound is s. It is equal to as yes. You will say it as s. So let us see some words. Can you see the picture on the screen, children? Now I am reading the left side words. Cat, cup, clock, cone. In these four words, we pronounced C as k. Now look at the right side words, children. Scent, prince and princess, bicycle, pencil. In these words, C, we pronounced C as s. In bicycle, first C pronounced as s, and the next C pronounced as k. Did you notice this, children? Children, for this you need to learn a rule. How do you make it out how to pronounce the C in the words? For this you need to learn some rules. Now see here, in cat, what is the letter after C, children? A. So if you have A after C, that C sounds as K. Cat. That's why we say it as cat. So children, if the letter C followed by A, that C gives the sound of K. And see the next word, cup. Now the letter C followed by U. When the letter C is followed by U also, C sounds as K. So we say it as cup. Now see the next word, clock. If the letter C followed by any consonant, then also the letter C sounds as K. Here in clock, C is followed by L. It is a consonant. And another C also followed by consonant. So we'll say clock. Now see the fourth word, C-O-N-E, cone. If the letter C is followed by O, then also that C sounds as K. That's why we will say cone. So children, if a letter C is followed by vowels A, U, O or any consonant, that C sounds as K. Now see the right side words, children. The letter C is followed by E in scent. So when the letter C is followed by E, it gives the sound of S. So C-E-N-T is scent. C gives the sound of S in scent. Now see the next two words, prince and princess. In these two words also, the letter C is followed by E. So C gives the sound of S. That's why we will say as prince, princess. See the next word, children, bicycle. In this, you have two C's. One C is followed by Y. It is a consonant But you need to remember, when the letter C is followed by Y, though it is a consonant, it gives the sound of S. And the next C is followed by L. It is also a consonant, but it gives the sound of K. So children, do remember, if the letter C is followed by Y, it gives the sound of S. Now see the next word, children. Pencil. In this, the letter C is followed by I. If the letter C is followed by I, it gives the sound of S. That's why we say it as pencil. So children, rule number 2 is, when the letter C is followed by E, I and Y, it gives the sound of S. Children, look at this page. If the letter C is followed by vowels E, I or Y, the C makes the sound of S. So, these words are called soft C sound words. What are these words, children? Soft C sound words. Let us read some words which are given here. Repeat after me, children. City. C is followed by I. So, the C gives the sound of S. City. Now the next word. Scent. C is followed by E. So, it gives the sound of S. So, the word is scent. Let's see the next word. Cereal. The letter C is followed by E, so it gives the sound of S. So this is cereal. Cereal. Next word is circle. In the word circle, you have two C's. The first C is followed by I. That's why it gives the sound of S. And the next C is followed by L. L is a consonant, so it gives the sound of K. That's why we will pronounce it as circle. Circle. Next word is cellar. The letter C is followed by E, so this C gives the sound of S. Cellar. Next word, cycle. The letter C is followed by Y. That's why it gives the sound of S. The another letter C is followed by L. L is a consonant, so it gives the sound of K. Cycle. Next word, braces. In the word braces, the letter C is followed by E, so it gives the sound of S. Braces. Next, face. The letter C is followed by E, so it gives the sound of S. Face. Next, pencil. The letter C is followed by I, so it gives the sound of S. That's why we say it as pencil. Next word is mice. The letter C is followed by E, so it gives the sound of S. So we say it as mice. Next word, price. The letter C is followed by E, so we say it as price. Next one, prince. The letter C is followed by E. It gives the sound of S, so we say it as prince. The last word, eyes. The letter C is followed by E, so we say it as eyes. So children, if the letter C is followed by vowels EI or consonant Y, it gives the sound of S. So we say these words soft C sound words. All these words are called soft C sound words. Children, here are some more soft C sound words. I'll read out, listen carefully. Space. In this, C is followed by E. Pencil. Cereal. Spice. Race. Bicycle. Fancy. Mice. Twice. Slice. Fence. Trace. See, all these words C is followed by either E or I or Y. That's why it gives the sound of S. Now let's see the hard C sound words. When the letter C is followed by the vowels A, O, U and any consonant that makes the sound of K, it gives the sound of K. So let's see the words, children. Now I am reading the first row. Card. In the word card, the letter C is followed by A. So it gives the sound of K. Next word. Cat. Again the C followed by A. So it gives the sound of K. Next word. Castle. The letter C is followed by A. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as castle. Next word. Cast. The letter C is followed by A. So it gives the sound of cast. Next word is cane. The letter C is followed by A. It gives the sound of K. Cane. Next word is cake. The letter C is followed by A. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as cake. Comb. In this, the letter C is followed by O. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as comb. Next word. Crayon. The letter C is followed by R. It's a consonant, so it gives the sound of K. Crayon. Next word is cloud. The letter C is followed by L. It's a consonant, so it gives the sound of K. Cloud. Next word. Corn. The letter C is followed by O. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as corn. Next word. Curb. The letter C is followed by U. It gives the sound of K. Next word. Curl. The letter C is followed by U. It gives the sound of K. So we say it as curl. Next word. Cub. The letter C is followed by U. So it gives the sound of K. We say it as cup. See the next word. Cable. The letter C is followed by A. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as cable. Next word. Crib. The letter C is followed by R. R is a consonant. So it gives the sound of K. Crib. Next word. Class. The letter C is followed by L. L is a consonant. So it gives the sound of K. Class. Next word. Cold. The letter C is followed by O. So it gives the sound of K. So we say it as cold. Next word, club. The letter C is followed by L. L is a consonant, so it gives the sound of K. So we say it as club. The next word is cracker. The letter C is followed by R. It is a consonant. Another letter C is also followed by K. It's also a consonant. So we say it as cracker. So children, remember, if a letter C is followed by vowels A, O, U or any consonant, the letter C sounds K in that word. So these words are called hard C sound words. Hard C sound words. So children, let's see some more hard C sound words. I'll read out these. Listen carefully, children. Campaign, cabin, car, camel, carrot, coat, cake, cap, cans, cat, cup of coffee. So children, in all these words, the letter C is followed by A, O, U or with any consonant. This C gives the sound of K. So these words are called hard C sound words. Now it's time for homework. Do page number 35 in WB. You have C sound words there. You need to fill the blanks, children. I hope you understood this topic. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye, children.